E a arte di baile loti un vitrina professional internacional. Unoca, una fondazione che stimola la cultura di Aruba, dove di respalta iniziativa che desarrolla talento culturale e crea partecipazione attiva in cultura in Aruba, da presenta Javier Nawar, den caso di cultura e Student Showcase di Kozlov Dance Academy. Baile è una piattaforma culturale in cui un interesse e hobby talento locale, secondo il direttore di Kozlov Academy, Dance Academy, signor Leonid Kozlov, a conversare con noi studenti na ora nan tabata train.
At the Kozlov Dance Academy, we are offering quality ballet instruction in classical ballet in the Russian tradition. The Student Showcase is our end of the year show, so our classes are finishing, and it's a way to allow the students to show to the Aruban community what they have achieved. And one of the highlights will be the ballet Paquita. It's a Spanish-style ballet. And along with that, we have many other different classical ballets, as well as some folk dancing, character dances, a real nice variety.
Nou, we gaan eigenlijk een show doen van ballet. Het is best mooi. Nou, ik hou eigenlijk van dansen omdat ik ermee begonnen met wat mijn moeder heeft het me geleerd. En toen wou ik erop, want mijn moeder was er ook vroeger op, dus vond ik het ook leuk, dus ging ik er ook op. En toen vond ik ballet heel erg leuk.
Ballet is very good for the children. It instills in them confidence, poise, grace, elegance. They also learn to work together and to work towards a goal and then to deliver that goal, which is the performance on stage. Unoca's involvement in our student showcase is that they are supporting us in helping us to cover the cost of the theater rental, which is one of the biggest costs of putting on a production besides the many costs for costumes and things like that. We are very grateful that we have their support and that they are supporting our work with the children here in Aruba.
There's a many undeveloped talent, and in order to make these dancers level of international level and happy dancers, all we need attention from a public. I brought scenery here made in Bolshoi Theater of Russia. I brought all the costumes, my experience, and these kids definitely deserve. There's all this group, very gifted kids. So many of them born to move because they move very natural.
Mi te gusta bailar por sobra por expresabo mes dor de baile, antora e música turcos ta hacia arte hobby. Mi lo bisa hobby na kas ku ta interesada en baile panam purbe inang no tin miedo di expresa nang mes, panang no tin miedo di baila pa sobra etong kos hobby bonita antora ora bo purbe. Antora ora bo hasia botabay get a feeling kutabay lagabo kiar hasia más y más y eta un algo hobby bonita pa hasia eta un bong feeling.
E para mais informação de Student Showcase, por visitar a Facebook page de Unoca Aruba.